Hi, I'm Andrew Jordan. I race for PIRTEK Racing, the British Touring Car Championship. We've come to the centre here in Belfast to have a look at one of their new products, Brake Whip. Hoses for brake, fuel, power steering, automotive product. PIRTEK are mainly really known for and market leaders in the hydraulic hose replacement or repairs, but they're actually branching into something a little bit different with the automotive, so you can come and get your brake hose for your race car, your classic car made here in one of the PIRTEK centres. I'm here with David. He's going to talk us through the process that goes into making one of these Brake Whip pipes.
Well, basically, Andrew, you have two options. The customer will either phone up and give you the make, model, etc. of the car, and we can look in the Brake Whip database, which will give us the length and the end terminations, right, where they can bring in a sample hose, the old one of these. First thing we do is identify what the ends are. We have a selection of metric and imperial ends, banjo fittings, quite a range of them. If we don't have the correct one, we can identify it and order it from Brake Whip. Then we measure up the length of the hose and cut the rubber hose to length, push on the end fitting and then crimp it in the machine.
Someone could ring up and just say, I've got, for example, a Ford Focus. You can then go onto the database, look through.
Look up, see, and it will tell you the length of the hose and what the end fittings are. It's not 100% perfect yet because it's always been added to, but there's a wide range of stuff on it. For the older classic stuff, modified vehicles, it's better if they can bring the hose here and then we can make it up exactly as the sample.
I imagine you'll have quite a few old cars and stuff like that coming in.
Yes, we've had this hose, in fact, is a project for the local museum. The guy, they're doing up an old vintage car, so that's what this is for. We've had American cars, we've had drift cars, all sorts of bits and pieces that we have made up special modified brake hoses for.
Have to do one for a touring car next.
That's the thing. Because and we do them in stainless. This is just the standard rubber brake hose, but we can do them in a braided stainless. High performance.
That's what we use on ours, is the braided one, so we could actually do some of those. That can be a winter project then.
Yeah, and we can do nice coloured. You can do coloured hose or coloured inserts on the ends, which can
jazz it up a bit. Okay, it'll look fast.
Nice. Then after we have made the hose and such, we pressure test it. It's tested to 300 psi for 20 seconds. Just checks if there's any leaks around, so we know it's safe to give to a person, so they're not putting it on. In some cases, we can't get the fitting or we don't know what it is. We have what's called a lifesaver tail, which is just this part of it. We can take the old fitting, clean it up, cut it off, braze it on to a lifesaver tail and cut it up, and again test it so we know it's okay.
So if for any reason you can't get that, it doesn't stop you then repairing the hose or replacing the hose. As I said before, PIRTEK are more well known for the kind of out on site repairing and replacing hoses. As you can see, this is a new product and they're pushing it very hard, so if you need any brake hoses done, into your PIRTEK centre, they'll sort it.